Hi.
Hi. We're going to Mount Greylock. I can't even say it. Mount Greylock today. Super nice day, Memorial Day weekend. See you later. I hope to find a picnic table in the sun. I'm cold.
I'm so pissed that I didn't bring the tripod.
Oh, it is what you make it.
How are you, sir? I'm doing well enough. How about you? Very good, very good. Beautiful day by the time, right? Yep, take only pictures, leave only footprints.
Oh,
like
nice.
I think this whole thing is like gets heavy after a while.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Has to be wild.
Yeah.
Year round. Oh, yeah.
There it is.
There you go.
Need a longer coat. Yeah. So this is the. Okay.
Where are we, G?
Oh, it's long. Yeah, I see this.
Uh-huh.
And then,
I'll walk up that way.
What the hell was that? I have to eat, I think. It's a good idea.
Can you read that for me?
It says, erected by Massachusetts in grateful recognition of the loyalty and sacrifice of her sons and daughters in war. They were faithful even into death. Jeez. Beautiful. Faithful even into death. Can we say that nowadays? I hope so. God bless America.
Well, honey.
I said, God bless America. It's beautiful.
Oh, yes. What do you want to eat?
Wherever.
You go down on the ledge.
Wherever.
There's a picnic table over there.
Sure. Let's go
sit on a
to.
picnic table.
Yes. Turn that thing off.
Oh, you want to eat?
I do want to eat. Not on camera. People are looking like, I don't want to be on there.
I don't know. I almost feel like you should eat on this.
I really think I just want to face this way and eat
All right.
and be comfy.